All right, today on George's Way, we've got George doing a little taste test. Tell us what you're having, George.
Got some lovely Alpo Chop House.
Beautiful, beautiful.
And then fancy. We're going fancy with the 9 eyes.
What kind of flavor is that? Didn't we have to special order that?
Yeah, no, all the way from Japan.
Okay. Yeah. And what about the piece of bread you got there?
Oh no, I found it on my floor, so.
Okay, great. All right, and you got a nice clean spoon, so, safety first. Always got to be healthy and safety.
Yeah, because that's what we think about on George's Way, is George's health and well-being, right?
That's right. You don't want to lick the top?
No, there's enough in here.
Okay.
This shit smells like a dog kiss. Oh, dude. That's fucking dude. It tastes like rubber. The gravy is like...
Not helping.
That is slobber. That moisture, that 80% moisture they put in here.
Oh, yeah. Why don't you read off the back what's on there?
They just bottle up slobber. That's all that is.
Why don't you get you another good slurp just to make sure you got a full aroma of...
A full taste on my palate. Is that what
yeah, you should take a little piece of bread and eat that. Would you like to grab a piece of bread to clean your palate a little bit? Yeah, a little floor bread, no problem. Is it crispy or is it still kind of good? Yeah, dip it. Hell yeah, dude. That's probably gonna be pretty good. I've heard a lot of people think
it looks like slobber.
It looks like snot, bro. This is real deal. This isn't fake dog food either. But a lot of people say that it tastes like beef stew. What do you think?
They're fucking lying.
They're lying. Maybe it's a different cut of Alpo. We should probably look into that in the future.
Different flavor.
Yeah, we'll figure that out in the future. All right. Well, I guess you've had your fill of Alpo because we definitely want to save room for the what was it again? Seafood platter. Yeah, that's what we ordered. Seafood platter. That came straight from Japan. It took a week to get. Fresh to death. Put a little bit on the corner right there.
Oh, we gotta get the brown part.
Look, nice and fancy. Yeah. That's $high stuff right there, bro.
Put your pinky up.
Yep, put your pinky out. Get your little toast corner. There we go. What do you think? Better than the Alpo?
Better than that. That tastes like potted meat. That's not that bad.
Well, keep on getting it. If it's good, it's good. Get some of that juice this time too. No, you definitely don't want to waste food. Like, that's a cardinal sin. Your mom would slap the shit out of you if you wasted food. Would you hit your tooth wrong?
Great. No, you hit my tongue wrong.
Okay. Alrighty. What else we got here? All right, a little bit of juice. Yeah, juicy juice.
Man, this shit just reminded me of, like, eating someone's slobber.
That's what it is. It's dog slobber. You didn't know? We should have probably got you a bucket.
Can you sit down?
We didn't really think this one through too well.
I know. I can't puke on my floor. So.
Yeah, you can.
I mean, it's happened, but...
You rent. You rent. You can go somewhere else eventually. All right, George. So let's wrap this up. What did you think of your delectable treats?
I recommend it to everybody.
Really, everybody? Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and steer clear from that, but
no, this is what you should have. Your morning beer. It goes great with your morning beer.
Oh God, Jesus, what is wrong with you? Anyway, all right. So that's it for today, folks. That's George's Way taste test. All right. You got anything you want to say to your fans?
Yeah. Y'all better fucking love me.
All right, we're out of here.